The foundation course element in master's program at IIHS introduces students to different systems on a practical basis. We bring students different courses. Grow, Cook and Eat is one of them. In this course, we try to introduce students to the linkages between growing or a farming system or a food system with water, energy, waste management, biodiversity, and other related systems. Students learn by doing many different things, right from land preparation to harvest and all the other things in between, which includes nutrient and pest management, weed management, and also irrigation and labor management.
Taking the classroom learnings, we've come here and we've got to know about different types of crops that are grown in different seasons, such as Kharif season crops, Rabi and Zaid. We were able to till the field and prepare the field for the sowing.
We learned from the very basic of how to sow, how to select the right seed, and from then went into the paddy field and we cultivated we were doing it firsthand. So it was a great experience for me.
किसान अपने यहाँ पे कैसे ग्रो करते हैं उसका हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस हमने यहाँ लिया। हमने भी वो सारी चीज़ें करके देखी जो किसान अपने खेत में करता है। पैडी का हमने एक्सपीरियंस लिया है। वाटर टेस्ट और सॉइल टेस्ट का किसानों के संदर्भ में इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है वो पढ़ा।
While making the snacks for my batchmates, we learned how to chop vegetables. There was some techniques that was taught.
I never knew the blanching process for the spinach, so we learned that, and then we also got to learn the chopping style for salad.
And there was a lot of understanding where the food comes from and what effort it takes for people who cook food on a daily basis.
I don't think that there is another university where we can actually experience the happiness of cultivating, happiness of cooking anywhere.